Greetings friends! In this video I want to tell you about how to get a free Univers trading advisor. I will leave a link to the page with the description under the video. This year can use a various indicator to find an entry point. For example, you can choose to use MACD, CCI, Momentum, Larry Williams indicator, that is. You can choose from the proposed list. What indicator will the advisor use for trading? You can view test reports of this expert advisor. I posted them on my FX book. You can see how this advisor traded for 2022. On average, the advisor showed about 5% per month. This is the backtest result. I also create a monitoring on MQL5. Let's see what results the expert advisor has shown in the recent months. I started monitoring at the end of December. And since it's only beginning of February, we will analyze only January. In January, the advisor showed 17% profit, with a drawdown 10%. Profitable trades were 68%, unprofitable 31%. Use a trading pair euro-dollar. I recommend reading the description of the advisor. There is a version for MT4 and MT5. View review of my previous product on MQL5, and so how to get advisor to your real account for free. I began to cooperate as a partner with several brokers, and accordingly for partner brokers. This advisor can be obtained for free. What do you need for this? Everything is simple. You need to either be a client of one of these brokers or register with any broker of your choose. Here below is an instruction on how to get this advisor. Everything is very simple, described here. You need to register with a broker using our affiliate link. Open an account and write to me in Telegram or WhatsApp, indicating in the message the account number that you open through our affiliate link. And for him I will give you a license. So, what brokers do I work with at the moment? The expert advisor is available for RoboForex, NPBFX, Alpari, IC Market, XNES and XM. For these brokers, the issuance of this advisor is available. Each broker has a review tab, respectively, by going to it. You can read the instructions on how to open an account. That is, if you are not a client of this broker, then you just press the button, open an account, register then, open an account, and you automatically attach it to my client group, and accordingly I can issue you an advisor. For existing clients, if you are already registered with one of these brokers, you can also get the advisor. To do this, you just need to contact support with a message like this, about that you are asking to transfer your trading account with your number to my affiliate group by indicating my affiliate code. Wait for the positive response from support and then write me the account number under which you need to issue an advisor. Also friends, while I editing video, I forgot to say one moment. For those who may not want, for example, to open an account using my affiliate link, and in principle he just want to buy this advisor, it can also be done. You can buy this advisor on MQL5 market. There is a version for MT4 terminal and there is also version for MT5 terminal. I have indicated the link in the description for monitoring the advisor. Similarly, on this page you can read the instruction how to get this advisor. This is basic information. You can look again the list of broker. It also available in English. After you registered with a broker and open an account, write to me Telegram or WhatsApp, and I will send you an advisor with a license for your trading account, and also can help with settings. I wish you a successful trading. See you in the next videos.